Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up face unlock on Vivo Y04. If you're using Vivo Y04 and now you want to set up your face unlock on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open phone settings in your phone. From here, just scroll down in your and look for password and security, tap on it, then select face from here, just select it, and here you have to enter your phone password. Then select Start Enrollment to add a face. Tap on it and you have to verify or enroll your face here. After the process, you just have to tap on OK. From here, you have to do some settings if you want. There's the first setting, which is if you want to use your face to unlock your screen, you just have to enable the first setting. The second setting is you have to enable this. If you are using any app lock and you want to use your face for unlocking your app, you have to enable the second settings, and there is animation style, which one will appear on your lock screen while scanning your face. So that's how you can easily set up your face unlock on your Vivo Y04. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.